All right, how's it going? It's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City, the big store on 8th Street in Saskatoon here. So there's something different about this Jeep here, and I want to show you what it is. So, look at this. So yes, it can run on electric. So what it is you plug it in here. It's a hybrid, right? So it can run on electricity and gas, or just electricity, or a combination. So what it is you plug it in here, a full charge, and if you have 240 volt, it could take 2 hours for a full charge. Otherwise, if you just use a regular wall outlet, then it can take maybe 11 hours. And then you can go about 40 kilometers. We're in Canada, so we're going to talk about kilometers, and we're going to talk about Canadian dollars. And this is the Rubicon, so that's the most capable SUV that there is. Look at all this. I love the blue. So the blue stands for electric, or an electric 4x4. There's the badging there. All right, let's take a look at the inside, because notice the blue accents. Well, we got some blue matching stitching here as well. So this is all leather here as well. So we're gonna have a look at the back here. Stingray, this color is. Here's the window sticker. Like I said, we're in Canada, so here is the warranty. Okay, take a pause on that screen there. Base price $59,995, and however you want to build it up. This one's been built up with full leather and cold weather roof, heated steering wheel, front heated seats, remote start, dual top, safety roof. So you get the blind spot monitoring, rear cross path protection, and it comes to $62,955. And here is, that's Canadian dollars. Here is the energy guide. So there's gasoline and there's the electric gasoline combination. So look at that, that's amazing. Okay, so let's take it for a drive. Okay, backup camera's hidden in here. All right, nice big leafy tires, parking sensors here and along the bottom there. Okay, take a look here. So there's some dimensions for the 2-door, 4-door, water boarding up to 30 inches at 5 miles per hour. Made in USA, developed in Auburn Hills, Michigan, and built in Toledo, Ohio. The original SUV since 1941. Okay. These seats will fold down as well. Alpine subwoofer in the back. A little bit more storage in here. And you can open this up. Your jack will be under there. Door hinges right here. Roof hinges here. Only 4 bolts for your windshield. Okay. All right. Take the time to get in here. Put the fuel in there. We already showed you the back seat, right? Okay. And of course the whole top comes off. These seat tops come off. Take the back off. Okay. Blind spot monitoring right here. Okay, take a look. Take the doors off here. Look at this, gas mode, hybrid mode, electric mode, which it's in right now. It's running, can't even tell. Save. Let's see some of the features here. Comfortable. So here's your charge meter there. So these look a little different. We're 2% left there. So I guess we got to get this charged back up. 8.4-inch Uconnect screen here, hybrid, so you'll have a little bit more information here. Power flow, driving history, charging schedule, save, battery charge. So we're gonna get this charged up here, and of course all the regular apps. Have a look at that real quick. Look at that! It's so crystal clear and big. This is the best screen in the business. So lots of good buttons, lots of good controls. We're gonna take it for a drive, and I don't know if you can tell in there, but it is super quiet. Okay guys, we're gonna take it for a drive, and like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll leave a review in the comments there. So like, share, comment, and watch out for part 2 of this. Okay. Here we are, here's all your front and rear only sway bar. Okay, so yeah, I think we're going to take it for a drive. So we're going to have to shut her down now, and stay tuned for the other videos, okay? All right. Talk to you soon. Cruise control.